Hello everyone. So in this video, let's see a tool called as Nikto for scanning web servers for vulnerability. So in this increasingly digitalized world, web servers have become one of the backbone for the countless transactions, services, or appliances we are using. So however, this reliance on the web servers also makes hackers a lucrative target for malicious uh, actors. So to protect these servers from vulnerabilities and potential threats, organization they do use a range of cybersecurity tools. One of them is Nikto. So Nikto stands as one of the crucial player in the domain. They do serve as an open source web server scanner that helps us in identification, mitigation of potential vulnerabilities in the web server. So Nikto, it is widely used, it is highly efficient, and it is very flexible web server scanner. So that helps many cybersecurity professionals, system administrators, even penetration testers in identifying and addressing potential security risk within the web server. So we're mainly focusing on protecting web servers. So this is also open source tool uh, that is used for uncovering various security issues. You can discover outdated if the server is running outdated software or outdated, or if there is some kind of configuration errors or even potential vulnerabilities within web servers and web applications can easily be detected. So some of the advantage of Nikto is it is open source. So Nikto is open source tool, makes it accessible to every user without any licensing cost. So that is big. Due to this only, it's very popular. And Nikto, it is highly compatible. It is having wide compatibility. That means it is capable of running on Windows, Linux, Mac OS. So users can leverage these capabilities irrespective of the environment they are using. And Nikto also, it is updated, so it receives constant updates. So Nikto database is continuously updated, ensuring that it remains with the latest security threats and vulnerabilities. And there is also custom scans available. So Nikto allows for a creation of custom scan, offering a high degree of flexibility. So Nikto is a very popular tool out there. So as I said, it is open source, multiple items. So it is working on many servers. Coming to the disadvantages, the main disadvantage of Nikto is there is false positive and negative rates. False positive and negative. So like many other vulnerability scanner, Nikto is not foolproof and can sometimes produce false positives or negative results. So basically it is very important to validate the findings meaningfully. And the major other disadvantage of Nikto is there is no authentication. So Nikto doesn't support authentication. While since it is not supporting authentication, this might be an advantage for some situations, but this will majorly limit the effectiveness in many situations. And Nikto is very limited to web servers. So Nikto is primarily focused on web servers and web applications. So it may not be suitable for assessing other aspects of the network. Yeah. So this is about Nikto. So Nikto is one of the valuable tool, uh, one of the main tool in your arsenal of cybersecurity professional. So by using this tool, you can identify potential vulnerabilities within web servers, web applications, so that organizations can secure their digital assets effectively. That's all about this tool. Thank you.